Real democracy in the present situation. A true democracy, often characterized as a direct or pure democracy, is a system where citizens directly participate in decision making, policy formulation, and governance rather than relying solely on elected representatives. It is founded on principles of political equality, freedom, and active citizen participation. Enduring government reflect the will of the people. What is the definition of real democracy? Within it emphasis on notions of social contract and the collective will of all the voters. Democracy can also be characterized as a form of political collectivism because it is defined as a form government in which all eligible citizens have an equal say in lawmaking. What is the genuine of democracy? Direct democracy or pure democracy is a format democracy which the electorate directly decides on policy initiated without elected representative as proxies, as opposed to the representative democracy model which occurs in the majority established democracies. What are three types of democracy? The three main types of democracy often define how power is exercised are directly democracy, where citizens vote directly on policies. Representative democracy, where citizens elect officials to make decisions on their behalf. Parliamentary democracy, a form of representative where legislation chosen as the leaders. What is the Gandhi mean true democracy? Gandhi views on democracy. He has defined the art and science of mobilizing the entire physical, economic, and spiritual resources of all the various selection of the people in the service of common good of all. What is real life example of democracy? The United States, a represented democracy, the means that our is elected citizen. Here the citizens vote their government official. These official representative is citizen idea concerned in the government. Hmm. What are the four pillars of democracy? Close study Gandhi ideal indicates truth or nonviolence, service and Swaraj, four pillars of the political edifice. Satyagraha was means of achieving the state of truth in the field of politics, and religion was the guiding light for walking on the path of truth. What is true democracy? A true democracy of characterized direct system where citizens directly participate in decision making. What is the most common democracy? The most common form of democracy in the modern world, representative democracy, indirect democracy. Indirect. Did Gandhi read the Bible? Mahatma Gandhi read the Bible, particularly New Testament, which profoundly influenced his philosophy. While he found the Old Testament boring, he loved Sermon the Mount, often citing it as a major inspiration principle alongside Bhagavad Gita. Seven principles of how many types of democracy there is. Democracy is primarily divided into direct citizen vote directly law. Elected official makes behind these two basic forms major types of include parliamentary democracy, presidential authoritarian, participatory, and liberal democracy, all of which define how power is shared or delegated. Delegated. What kind of democracy is found in India? India is a representatively parliamentary democratic republic. In this system, citizens elect representatives to parliament and state assemblies to make law and governance on their behalf. The form of direct democracy rather than directly democracy. Key aspects include universal about suffrage and independent judiciary. Who brought democracy in India? Who brought Modern democracy was introduced in India upon independence, formally established by the adoption of Constitution January 26, 1950, which was drafted by a committee chairman B.R. Ambedkar. Key leaders like Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi were instrumental in shaping the democratic framework leading to the first general election.